you feel safe? Never. What age you went to your home? 1. Who are you a fan of? God. When I start eat pum pum, the time when the auntie sit down for my face, man, them time them around 9. I say, like how this taste, man, we go continue. How much soul you have? 9. I'm not running for next months. I answer this already, I'm not happy. What do you mean 9 and there, so? Wanna know? Bro. What do you mean 9 and there, so? What wrong with you, so? What wrong with you, so? I'm sure no more sound on drive. I'm sure no that. So, oh no, I come style, yeah, so. What the fuck do you know? TikTok, my own whole heap of things. TikTok, my own whole heap of things, bro. And we are get more down. You see, when I get a month, we are get that. We can get that in a 1 day. So why not try bring down TikTok? Yeah, put it a day. Really put it a day. Less than an hour. 30 minutes. I wanna get a month. Yeah, them can get that in a 30 minutes. So anybody I come try bring down the TikTok of them, I sorry for no. You see World Dog them. You see where they man they are buy. You see Swiss Lee them. You see the man they are buy. You see Mark X buy. Rank your X in order, no. I should have done last if I start rank. X is what own no. Because I hold it for them, you know. Hold it for them, I tell us what they even remember. I don't know. 85 plus. Oh. That make you feel complete. Fabi. Bro, I can't go lie, bro. All if you say stop that water, bro, I have to tell the truth. Like your ear, thank you. What's your favorite food? Pum pum. I think you know what love is. I know now. But I'm not telling them a creep, so why the fuck when I still ask? Mika! Want me to adapt you now? You know what? Nobody have no control over me. Nobody can use money and control me neither. Me I make my own decision. What's your favorite hobby? Name front. Favorite food, pum pum. I don't tell already. I'm gonna ask over the same question. How many kids you want? 3. They love make or no? Ever get bone yet? Yeah. Get bone and give bone. Favorite color blue. If she make you complete white cheat. What if you complete them time then? It's confused. Do you think you make your first love now? Do you overthink? Yeah. Would you like to meet your sibling? Just my mother. I don't want to meet nobody else. Birthday September 14th. I'm not feel complete now, I'm feel complete. I don't have a girlfriend now. Stop talking about Big C, please. Pull on this. See if him's gonna be your girlfriend. Just so. What's the first thing you would do if you meet your mother? Ask her why she does more. Favorite food, pum pum, I don't know. I don't know which part of West I come from. Just know where West I come from. What's up, Miss Cash? Well, my name is Jayden 85. Jayden is my real name. But I put 85 on it. Because in the last year, me and my friend slammed 85 girl in 3 months. Yeah, I'm serious, man. I'm serious. Leave her alone. No, leave her alone, bro. Serious thing, man. Leave her alone. Don't want to feel like me alive, bro. I mean, how my old not dead by now? Gosh, Claude. Me get rushed when me say new pum pum, yeah? Any man can't tell me this. And them get rushed when them say new pum pum. Yeah, man, them I lie. You're proud of it? Of course, me proud of it. Man, don't believe me, dog. Man, don't believe me, bro. Channels, dog. Bro, I said I'm 85 girl in 3 months already, bro. Me even lie, bro. I mean, we're not talking about disease. Bro, why don't I feel like some slam them raw? Mine a shot the girl them, or mind the girl them shot me. Huh? Bro, pine should have there for choke. Pine should have there for choke, or pine. Pine would have tell you now. And that time, I said I'm 10 girl one day. Yo, I'm skilled, you know? I tell you. Yo, my body. Hey, man, I tell you. Hey, my body, you know? Yeah, man, about 1 girl every day. You're mad? How's it mad to blood clot? Want all, lose all. Yes. It's made one all of them. What's your biggest accomplishment? My biggest accomplishment. What day when we did have 100 million. You are still single. I'm going to chat answer that. Why am I stay single? You have to love who love you. Pin some comment, Mr. Kappa. Be honest, bro. How long you feel love? by what? I understand that. What would you do if you knew you would not fail? What? Yo, pin our next one. Next. My world, beg your will. Well, I'm fully done, man. Pin our next one. Moderator, just pin the comment now. Pin back a comment, Kappa. Kappa. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that's why I'm somebody confused. Denise. I tell you no what I see myself. That I inform for myself. Next question. Three kids. Next. Who's that girl? Help me now. What's the last thing you think about before going to your bed? Comment section answer. What a boy they say? F. What a boy they say? When did you sense something was off? Yo, the boy asked some good question, you know. When did you sense something was off? When that? Chops, when that? In the making. Chops. When that chops? Good question. Well, set up me now. Yeah, you know, easy now. Set up. Favorite childhood memory? usually have some white people who come in our summertime. Them usually have some white people who come at summertime we keep like football for the whole of it. And like we get up early morning, 7 o'clock, go down there, play football for 1 week. Yeah, that's my best one. You know next coming? Yeah, I give back to the homes in the last 2 weeks. Yeah. Come, next question. Look how me try to run for a question there and I want to come add back that. Love is not going out on dates. Love is not buying things. Love is not us kissing, us showing affection. Love is not buying dear stuff. Okay, I'm gonna have to explain that, brother. Next question. Top pin comment out them, bro. Yeah. How would you describe the person you are? I'm a narcissist. I'm a manipulator. I'm the worst. Me never did nothing good for nobody yet. Me a dog shit. Yeah. What would I do differently? If I answer this for life, what do you think most people misunderstand about me? That I'm a nice person. That I'm genuine. And I'm just a funny. I just come here to give jokes. Could change something about your life, what would it be? Answer this already. Mulu se no te panty video. Next. Jayden, I'm a two name them, you know. Carlos are even my real name. Carlos are what them give me. But anyways, how me stay off my media? I tell you like off the media. I see him thing. I see him thing. You know, come after me now pretend. You know, pretend. Yeah, pin this, pin this, pin this. So hold on. Wait, me see one comment where say you said you were mature offline. You said you were more mature offline. I didn't tell her that. So hold on. So me giving jokes. So me giving jokes make me not mature. I don't understand that. What do you require in a relationship? No competition. It's where we are partner. We feel have respect for each other. We must can accept when we're wrong. I don't like girl where I don't like woman where just up in a short up clothes feel look good. I have some woman out there where they have just up in a short up clothes and them still look way better than one. No disrespect. Woman feel have respect for themselves. Likewise. Fire upon fire now go work. If you know when to compromise. If you know when to walk away. How do you stay positive despite bad mind? I think about my goal. Yeah, I think about my goal. When I turn on the live and when I just turn on the live I beg, you know. I have a goal. Or pumping somebody else. Yeah. Now I'm gonna lie. The negative cause them get to me sometimes, yes. But sometimes I like them. You know why I like them? Because they're a part of me too. You know? Sometimes I feel like I cuss out somebody and I read the comments them. Just read one comments. If you have one thing to say to your mother, what would it be? Why you dash me away? Next comment. I wrong pity she dash away. She must look and say, would you date woman that have more money than you? Of course. But nobody at all cannot use money to control me. None. I like to have the drive for want to make money every day for myself. How do you handle depression? Don't run from it. Next question. I'm not going to date a woman with child. Never. Never again. Will you forgive your mother? Of course. The Bible said, honor your mother so your days may be long. No matter what my mother do me, mother still forgive her. you date someone who don't do social media? Of course. Yeah, of course. You know how much life you change in here. What if, yeah? Guys, there's different people on TikTok, you know. You have people who come for big, and it's obvious. You can't know who they are for big. You have people who they are for big. You have people there for big and entertain. So you kind of have two different type of people on TikTok. You know, so if you really check it out, guys, if you really check it out, it's when we start with them thing I like, me I call up mama name. All I will make money out of it. I don't even see that. So I don't see your skill maybe. Would you ever wonder if your mother is still alive? Yeah, I still a wonder. Still a wonder. Yeah, she'll get number one. And me not genuine, bro. Me not understand that. Come could have take that. I swear to God, I could have take that. That's how she get down your body, boy. Down your body, boy, man. So good down here. Could make a girl have it. Jesus Christ. Oh, me I feel right now. I just feel like say me I worse. Yeah, that's something I feel right now. I wanna make it good out way bad. And me sure no say the good way enough than the bad. What kind of help more than need? What kind of help more than need? Yeah, that girl that think like me. I don't need no counseling. I just need somebody to talk with. I don't need no counseling. Why don't me feel like I'm a madman? I'm not a madman. Yeah, I think like me twiggy. Yeah. I talk to my wood brother. I'm wood my talk to.